Like most people who spend time indoors, it's always nice to add some fresh air to the room either by opening a window or door. However, while it's nice to invite in a light breeze, insects are definitely not on the guest list. Having insect screens on those external doors and windows is important, and also that the mesh is in good order. If you're looking to repair, update or install insect screens in a home, the best way to get started is a visit to your local mighty helpful Mitre 10. G'day Mark.
G'day Kim.
Oh, Cowdroy insect screens?
Yeah, new range.
Great. I'd like to find out more about these.
Let's go have a look.
Great.
It might surprise you, Kim, there's a variety of insect screens now, not just the one type anymore.
Well, I know fly screens and pets don't always work well together.
No, they don't, Kim. That's why we've got this pet guard. It's a heavyweight polyester. It withstands damage from cats and dogs.
So their claws get into it but don't damage
Won't
it.
tear it. Thanks. With hay fever and the hot weather on the rise, this pollen-proof one's perfect for people with allergies. It's a really fine mesh, Kim, that just keeps the pollen and dust out. But the next one's a stainless steel one, Kim. Very durable, and it's an ember defender, so perfect for fire areas. And being 316 stainless, rather than the embers hitting and melting the screen, they'll just bounce off. It's a powder-coated marine grade 316 stainless steel, so it's perfect for by the coast as well.
So it won't rust or corrode?
No, not at all.
Mark, if people want to see even more through their fly screens, what are the options?
Well, Kim, we've got this clear view. With improved visibility and superior airflow, you hardly see the screen there at all.
Wow.
You can see straight through it as if it's not even there. And it's made of a PVC-coated fiberglass yarn. Good durable screen. Kim, a question I always get asked is, what's it going to look like in my house? Well, rather than buy every type of screen, we've got the perfect thing for that. Cowdroy's got this great screen view app you can download and see exactly what it's going to look like. You download the app from the App Store, you hold it up to the screen you want to change, and you get a preview of what it's going to look like.
So you can go through and choose which insect screen throughout the Cowdroy range through that one view.
Exactly. Which one you want to choose.
When it comes to changing over insect screens, how easy is it?
Oh, it's very easy, Kim. You just need a few basic tools and you can do it. Start with choosing the Cowdroy insect screen that works best for you. This is the spline that holds it in, so simply just tear the spline out. Always good to give it a bit of a clean in case there's any rubbish in there. And for this one, we might give it a go with the pollen proof. So we'll cut that off to size. You don't need much, just a little bit of overhang because you've got to trim it later after you're done. So we'll replace the spline. Another thing you'll need is a spline roller. You've got a few options here, but if you're using aluminium, you've definitely got to use the Easy Feed. So we just start it with the spline, I start a little bit off the edge because you're going to have to come back round. Just squeeze it in a little bit. Now you get your roller, and you just follow. You can see it's tightening it. And there we go. You just trim it off really carefully with a nice sharp blade.
Wow. That was fantastic.
Yep. Literally only took a few minutes to do.
Mark, if people want more information on the Cowdroy insect screen range or anything to do with insect screens, what can they do?
You can just drop into your local Mitre tent. We're always here to help.